Acme Educational Publications. Number 1. Educational Group. Hello, young learners. My name is Zootopia. Welcome to Happy Phonics. Early Year Foundation Stage 3. Don't forget the importance of sign language. It's a bridge to communication, opening doors of understanding and inclusion for those who rely on it. Sign language letter F. F looks kind of funny, huh? An easy way to remember F is that your index finger and thumb will meet and your other fingers will stay out like feathers. Sign language letter G. I taught my oldest child how to sign by G by thinking of grabbing some grapes. Sign language letter H kind of looks like a capital H on its side. Sign language letter Y. E is another sign that looks a lot like the actual letter. It is just your pinky up straight with your thumb covering your other fingers. Wang-wa. Sign language letter J. J is a really fun sign. Use your pinky to draw a J in the air. Comment us the screenshot of your activity. Must like, subscribe, and share this video. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next lesson.